Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to send video on Google Drive. First go to your browser and here search for Google Drive. Click on that. Now click go to Drive. On the right side here you can see new tab. Click on this. File upload. Now select your video. Now our video is uploading. Now reload the page. And here you can see we have uploaded two video. Now if you want to share this, just right click and here share button. Click on this. By default it restricted. Now if you want to share with others, then click this and anyone with the link. Now click this and here you can choose this editor or commenter. If you give this editor, then anyone can edit with this link, or if you choose this, anyone can commenter. I like to leave it viewer. Okay, now copy the link, click done. Now if I check in incognito mode, let's see, and now anyone can download this. So this is how you can send video on Google Drive. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.